Hi, I'm Oscar Hernandez. In this video, I'm going to talk to you and explain about three tools for educational planning, which are Gantt chart, flowchart, and SWOT. For this, I will show them one by one and give you details for their uses, characteristics, and purposes. I'm going to start with Gantt chart. The Gantt chart is a useful graphical tool whose objective is to expose the expected time of dedication for different tasks or activities over a given total time. It was Henry Lawrence Gantt who developed and popularized this type of diagram in the West. A Gantt chart lists the task to be performed on the vertical axis and the time intervals on the horizontal axis. Additionally, it illustrates the start and end dates of terminal items and summary items in a project. Terminal elements and summary elements constitute the analytical structure for the project. Modern Gantt charts also show dependency relationships between activities. Benefits: clarity, motivation, coordination, creativity, management time, flexibility, efficiency, accountability. Components: date, chores, expected time frames, interdependent tasks. Some tasks can be completed at any time, while others must be completed before or after another task begins or ends. Progress: the diagram shows you exactly how your project is developing. Now we have flowchart. The flowchart is a tool used to represent the sequence and interaction of the progress activities through graphic symbols. The symbols provide a better visualization of the operation of the process, helping in its understanding and making the description of the progress more visual and intuitive. In process management, the tool aims to ensure quality and increase productivity. This happens because documenting the activity flow makes improvements possible and clarifies the workflow itself. Flowcharts used to make highly visual schematic representations can be a very effective educational tool as they facilitate the understanding of process and their connections. In educational matters, the possibility of increasing the difficulty according to the age and abilities to the students is sought. Flowchart applications. Among the advantages of using the flowchart, it is possible to highlight that it improves understanding of the work process, shows the steps necessary to carry out the work, creates standard rules for the execution of process. Flowchart symbols. To facilitate the understanding and analysis of the process, the diagram uses a series of symbols to represent the actions and moments of the process. Some of the most used symbols are. And finally, we have SWOT. In the field of education, SWOT is a basic planning instrument whose determination allows an institution to detect its internal and external organizational situation before the possibility of strategically planning its action in the short, medium, or long term. Through the result of this SWOT, it is possible to better contextualize the validity of the mission and strategic objectives of the institution. At the same time, it classifies those strengths and weaknesses of the management and administration areas within the educational establishment, making it possible to establish specific lines of work in the annual planning. In summary, the SWOT matrix has the following characteristics. It is an accurate and complete diagnosis of a particular institution, company, or project. 4 aspects I use for its development: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and traits. It consists of an internal analysis in which the strengths and weaknesses are developed. Traits and opportunities intervene in its external analysis. Consists of a 4-quadrant design where each person writes or places their one corresponds depending on the case. This has been all about these 3 tools for educational planning. I hope and find it useful. Thank you.